Hi, here I have a empty shoe box. I will add some extra cardboard pieces around it to make it strong, but first of all I will measure the size and will make it like a heart shape, a home shape. This is how I measure it. And now for the both sides cut the A shape. This is how I cut for the both sides. You can make it taller than the size I cut it. It depends on you. Just stick them on the both sides now. Now take another piece of cardboard which should be a bigger than the actual size of the shoe box to make the roof of the house for the both sides like this. I have cut two pieces and now stick them together by using the paper tape so they can stretch easily when we want to open the door for the one side. And make sure that you take a thick piece of cardboard for all this project. Do not use only one single piece. You have to use almost 3 to 4 plates of cardboard for each side. Now this is how I put the tape. Now apply that same tape on the inner side as well, so it will hold each other and it will open and close easily as well. Now with the hot glue, stick only one part of the roof with the box. And now rest of the shoe box also I will cover it with more cardboard pieces to make it strong enough. Now cover the edges of the box with the paper tape or with white glue and newspapers. Here I have another empty box which is already I made thick by joining the more cardboard pieces around it, and this is the exact size of the shoe box I made before. The same length and width, here you can see its exact size. Here I have the lid of the same shoe box I used before. Now I will cut the sides to make the drawer for the box inside. And same again, make it thick by using more cardboard pieces on it, so it will be easy to hold the weight of the rest of the drawers we will make on it. This is going to be the shelf, the center shelf of the big box actually. Here it's done, it's thick enough. Now measure the center size of this big box draw a center line where we will stick this shelf. And if you are new to my channel, it's really great to have you here. It will be a great support if you subscribe and click on bell icon so you will get notification for my each single video I upload. And thanks for your support. Now for the top shelf, again I will draw a center line where I want to make 2 drawers on the upper part. So draw the center line. This is how I measured, as I always say, without any scales or any tape, measurement tape. And this is the drawer centerpiece I am putting, which is already thick enough. Here I will stick it now. And now for the lower drawer, I got the cardboard, which is exact size of the box as well, to make the drawer piece. And I made it thick also by using many cardboard pieces on it. And I have cut the sides for the drawer as well. Here, almost done. I just want to show you that how it's easy to go inside and come outside. And now I will stick the front part of the drawer, which should be a little bit bigger than the actual size of the drawer. And here it's done. In the exact same way, I will make the rest of the 2 drawers as well. And here it's done. I have completed the all boxes, all the drawers. Now cover all the rough edges of the complete box and drawers with the paper tape, masking tape or glue, and newspapers as well, whatever is available. Now take black acrylic paint and cover all the box with this. I took a single piece of cardboard. I will apply the glue on it. It's a little bit gray, but doesn't matter because I will color this part with golden spray. So apply the glue on the box, on the cardboard piece, and stick the tissues over it and leave them dry completely. The same way, cover the top part of the home as well, the lid part, with the same way with tissues and glues as well. Once they completely dry the tissues for both sides, take that golden bronze spray paint and cover them here, this part and the single part of the cardboard as well. Here you can see the box I painted complete black, the drawers as well, inside and outside, and the top part of the house as well, I spray it golden. Now take this cardboard piece and cut it according to the size of your drawers you made, to make it a little bit smaller than the actual size of the drawers, to stick it on the front part of them. Apply the hot glue on the back sides of the cardboard pieces and stick it here like this in the center. I'm using a golden acrylic paint on the surface of these tissues to give them more shine, to make them more prominent. And cut more pieces to stick it on the bottom of the house as well. Apply the hot glue on the top of the box and stick this house box on it. The handles of the drawers, I will make some holes in the center of the drawers, each drawer, and I will use the wire as a handle first for the base. Like this, cut the wire and put it through the holes, and then from the inner side just twist it and close it with the hot glue. Some more pieces of tissues and stick it on the sides of the box as well. I'm using a golden ribbon on the top of the lid of the box, and then I will use a screw which is left over from something and it's no more in use, so I will use it here. This is how it looks like. You can use any button or any other things available, something like this. Here I have a black craft foam which I will stick on the top of the wire handles I made. Reason to use the wire is just to have more grip, so it's easy to open and close. And then I will just place this black on top. Here I have a clay flower I made a long time before for my previous video, which I will stick on top of the lid. And yes, here it's done. It's very easy to open because of the wire grip, and you can use it for your jewelry, for your makeup, for your any other stuff. It's really beautiful and durable, and yes, it is very strong because I used a lot of cardboard. As for my other videos as well, I said always use thick pieces and a lot of cardboard to make your furniture or your craft strong. So this is how it looks. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.